Alright, SeMo Artifact Adventures. This is Nick. I'm out here on the village site. It's been raining for a couple days and decided to come out here. And I'm right next to this hillside and I think I got something. I kind of lifted on it a little bit, but it looks like it's worked on one side. Let me see what we got here. Some sort of scraper, maybe. Football shaped. Heck yeah. I'll get back to you if I find something else. Later.
Alright guys, it's Trey with SeMo Artifact Adventures. I'm trying to beat the cows to all the spots before they track it all up. I think I got a flake knife down here. Yeah, it's like a uniface. It's got the cortex on the tip. And it's worked along that one edge. Don't know if we'll find much today. We got a bunch of rain. But the cows are in here too, so it's hard looking. We'll get back to you if we find anything else. Later. All right guys, Trey and Nick's back. We're walking up these cow paths. I think I found a bird point. Maybe. It's either a bird point or the tip of a little drill or something.
I'm excited about this one.
We found some brokes, but
Oh,
I think it's all there.
is it a birdie?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, serrated.
Looks like it's made out of sugar quartz. I knew all the rain we got, it's just pounding rain. It always washes a birdie out. All right, guys. If we find anything else, we'll get back with you. Later. All right, guys, we're back. Been checking a lot of spots, but it's all grown over. But I got a piece of a rim shard down in here and it's kind of clouded up since we've been walking. I just wanted to show this to you. It's got lines etched on the top and diagonals. But you can see how the rim was folded over and rolled over. It makes like a little coil. You see the little spiral in it. And usually this is how we find them. Maybe one day we'll find a whole one. All right, we'll get back if we find anything else. Later. All right, guys. Nick just picked this up. Didn't even realize what it was. It's another rim shard, and you can see the lines on the top, but it had little bitty knobs on the side of it. A thin vessel too. Nick, I think that was an applied lip that's broke off.
That's the
Look,
first one.
it's finished on the bottom.
That's kind of, I didn't know which way it was flipped, but I've never found one with the balls like
That's
that
weird. And that's a finished edge right there.
Yeah, that'd have been a dandy bowl.
Or was it like a bracelet or something?
I don't know.
It's weird that it's finished there and it's finished here. I'm wondering if this was a lip that they stuck onto the side of the bowl and it came off when they were firing it or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's cool. Later. All right, guys, we're back. I just pulled this out, didn't realize how big it was. All I saw was the edge of it. When I grabbed it, it came out of the dirt. There's a great big rim shard. You can see the curve of the pot. I don't know if it was made kind of like that. That's the rim right there. We'll get her cleaned up. And then Nick pulled one out down here. This is slow going down through this crap. You gotta see the size of this piece of pottery. He pulled it out of that hole right there. And like, here's my hand. It's a huge chunk.
That's a mega vessel right there.
They made some huge pots. We'll get back to you if we find anything else. There's pottery everywhere down through here. If we find anything else, we'll get back with you though. Later. All right, guys, we're back. We got some of these pieces cleaned up a little bit. Here's this piece of pottery. You see the cord marks in it on the bottom. Real thin rim. Then I found this knife. It's kind of crude. Big chunk of sugar quartz. And there's the little birdie. I found this broke. You might have to let me know what this is. This base right here is ground. And I think that is the ear. It was kind of thick, but it was big. But this base down here is just ground as smooth as can be. And then here's the knife that Nick found this morning. Some other pieces of pottery he found. Nice rim shard. And this monster piece. That would have been a giant vessel. Then he found this piece of hard stone. Looks like they were roughing it out to make an axe out of it or something, or a celt, and it might have busted on them. Still a neat find. And he found a tip, another midsection, and an agate, and a silver spoon. Silver plated anyway. And after this, we're gonna have a couple clips of my buddy Alex. He scored in his creek again. So stay tuned. We appreciate you all watching, and thanks as always. Later.